Hi and welcome to another Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Today we will learn how to blur the background of an image. For starters, make sure that your image layer is selected. Then go to Select and click Subject. Adobe Sensei will automatically analyze and find the person in the image. Once it's done analyzing and selecting the person in the image, make sure it is selected thoroughly. After that, go and click the Marquee tool here. And right-click inside the selection and choose Select Inverse. It will now select and highlight the background of our image excluding the person in it. Then go to Filter, Blur. Then choose Lens Blur. In here, we can adjust the blurriness and the scope of the effect. We can also toggle this preview to see the before and after of when we applied the lens blur effect. Once satisfied, click OK and the effect will be applied shortly. Press Ctrl plus letter D on the keyboard to remove the highlight in the image. And there we have it, we have now learned how to blur the background of an image. For more quick and easy tutorial like this, please subscribe and click the notification bell of my YouTube channel so you will not miss any of my tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.